here. We put it in this way, like this. Hello everyone. Thank you. Thank you so much, Lisa. Thank you so much for your nice gift. Okay, today we are going to making a piece of the first today here in my country is Teacher's Day. Teacher's Day here you can make some small gift to your children teacher. So here I'm going to show you. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Today is Teacher's Day. Then here yesterday I make a bookmark to my daughter. She wanted to gift it to her daughter, to her teacher. Yeah, sorry. And let's see what's the how to make for the gift bookmark. Okay. We cut a piece of the wire here. We'll cut a piece of the wire in 45 centimeter. Then we will start it a beads here. We put a pink beads is 6 millimeter. We can go through it left about left here 20 centimeter. Left one side 20 centimeter, and the other side we're going to fold it. Yeah, fold it here. The long piece we're going to fold it like this. Here, this one, and fold it. Okay, when we fold it, we are going to make it wrapper here. The first beads. Hello, Patricia. A book club. Nice gift. Yes, you can make a bookmark to your friends. Okay, then here you are going to use your hand to make a winger here. First, this one. Then this way fold here like this, and again fold it by your hand, another winger. Okay, then we'll fold it here this way, here, and we fold the small winger here. This small winger is going to be a dragonfly bookmark. Here, this one here. Fold it a small cute piece of the winger here. This one. It's like this. Yeah. Hi, Sophia. Hello, LP Lisa. Hi, TNDR Donna. Happy to see you. It's going to make a small cute dragonfly bookmark. Okay. Then the beads, the second you put on, and we're going to wrap it. Okay. Here. It's tight. Tight like this. So it's finished the piece of the dragonfly, the wing here. Yeah. Thank you. Then the back here we left it 17 centimeter. Then we will be fold it at about 8. Yeah, we are going to fold it at about 8. Okay. Going to fold it here. We're tight. Yes, it's like this here, this one. Then we make it this way. Then we can use the wire 0.4 to wrap it. Okay. 0.4 we need cut it 1 meter. Cut the wire 1 meter. Bead size is 6 millimeter. I use here 6 millimeter. The hole is big enough to go through the wire 1 millimeter. Yeah, wire size is 1 millimeter. Bead size 6 millimeter. Okay. Thank you so much, Nomi, for your nice gift. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. So here we are going to put inside the wire. I put a little bit inside here. And tight. So you see, I tight the top and let the wire tight inside. Yeah, hello. Hi, happy to see you, my fur baby. Yes, then we go to start to wrap it. This way the wrapper will be easy. Okay, then here wrapper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So your purpose is wrap it neat here. We are going to wrap it neat like this. It will be go to make a bookmark. Here. Yep. It's tight. Okay. So you can find that we are wrap it neat. When you wrap it this way, how you can keep the wire very neat is your finger always near the space that's near the part that you wrap. Here, you see, it's always a wrapper like this. Okay. Hi, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Nami. Thank you, Nami. Gift enough, yes. Thank you. Hi, hello, GPAV. Happy to see you. Hi, Tanya V. Thank you, Nami. Okay. So we are up here. Tight. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, my fur baby. Thank you, Rondia. Okay. So here, wrapper. It's like this. It's going to be a bookmark. Yeah, bookmark. Helping. Maybe we need to hem the end, the wire, make it more stronger. Yeah. It's going to be a bookmark now. Here. Because in China today is Teacher's Day. Yesterday my daughter asked me to make a bookmark for her teacher. So I shoot today the tutorial. It's wrapper. Into the end. We're going to make it a folder here. This one. Yep. Tight. Hi, Simon. A good way to view your shop when you are selling stuff. Yes, I'm sure her teacher is going to love it. It's beautiful. Yes. Yeah. Here. Go. Up. Okay. Then we have a little bit of wire extra here. Cut away. Here. Okay. So then we are going to lock here, tight it here. So this is the front and this is the back, and when we make it, well, I'm going to fold this part. Yeah, we're going to fold it here. Okay, so this one is a bookmark we just finished, and how to do with it. Yeah, let's see. Yes, Simon, for now it's still good, thank you. So this is the way, that's how we do. Yeah, you can put the piece here like this. Okay, this way. Yeah, and another way is at this part. I change another one. I will put the dragonfly on the outside of the book and use the third piece. That way also work. Yeah, that way work as well. So this one here, we put it in this way, like this. Here. This one. Yeah. So this is the way that make a bookmark. You can another is you don't need to fold here, just straight to put the piece here like